Good morning, everyone. So today we'll start our revision, and yesterday we have successfully completed our overall syllabus, and that our last topic is correlation. Today we'll start revision from Unit 3. From problematic part we'll start and calculate arithmetic mean. So in arithmetic mean we have three series: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. And direct method or individual series, and the formula for direct method is x bar equal to summation x by n. And the first problem, calculate arithmetic mean. So in direct method or individual series, only the x values will be given. So here see 85, 70, 10, 75, 500 and 8, 42, 250, 40 and 36. These are all x values. Now we have to apply the formula for direct method. Direct method or individual series formula is x bar equal to summation x by n. Now we have to add all the x values, that is 85, 70 plus 10 plus 75 plus 500 plus 8 plus 42 plus 250 plus 40 plus 36 will get 1160. Here n is the number of observations. So we have 10 observations. So now we have to divide both the values. 1116 divided by 10 you will get 111.6. This is the direct method. Remember that in individual series only the x values will be given. Now we'll move to the discrete series. In discrete series, both x values and frequency values will be given. So here the x values is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the frequency value is 10, 15, 18, 22, 32, 43, 21, 13, 8 and 4. And now a formula for discrete series is x bar equal to summation fx by n. Here fx means you have to find out the fx. So frequency into x values will get fx. So now see, x value is 1 and the frequency value is 10. You have to multiply both the values, that is x and f. 1 into 10 you will get 10. Next 2 into 15 30. And 3 into 18 54, 4 into 22 88 and 5 into 32 160, 6 into 43 258, 7 into 21 147, 8 into 13 104 and 9 into 8 72, 10 into 4 40. Now total of frequency value will be the n value. So in direct method, and the n is the number of observation, but in discrete series n is the frequency of the total. So here the frequency total is 186 and fx total is 963. Now we have to apply the formula. X bar equal to summation fx by n. So fx total is 963 divided by 186, you will get 5.177. This is discrete series. In discrete series we have three formulas. So see this problem. Calculate arithmetic mean for the following series by direct, shortcut and step deviation method. So in discrete series we have again three methods, that is direct, shortcut and step deviation method. As usual, x values is given, f values is given, and the direct method formula is x bar equal to summation fx by n. So we have to find out fx. So how you will get fx? Frequency into x values. Both values you have to multiply in order to get fx. Now see, 5 into 6 you will get 30, 10 into 17 170, 15 into 28 420, 20 into 34 680, 25 into 18 450, 30 into 11 330, 35 into 9 315 and 40 into 7 you will get 280. Now you have to add all the values, and the total of fx value is 2675. And now direct method formula is x bar equal to summation fx by n, and the total of fx value is 2675 divided by and the n is the number of observations, sorry, total of frequency values, and the frequency total is 130, and our direct method answer is 20.58. So this is about direct method. Now we'll see the shortcut method, and the formula for shortcut method is x bar equal to a plus summation fd by n. In shortcut method, a is the assumed mean, so you have to assume any one value in x. So dx, you have to find out dx equal to x minus a. So in x values, you have to take any one number as assumed mean. Here I took 20 as 20 is a assumed mean. Now see, x minus a assumed mean is 20 and the x values is given here. And 5 minus 20 minus 15, 10 minus 20 minus 10, 15 minus 20 minus 5, 20 minus 20 0, 30 minus 20 10, and 35 minus 20 15, 40 minus 20 20. So now frequency, if you have to find out f dx, that is frequency into dx, that is 6 into 15 90, 17 into 10 170, 28 into 5 140, 34 into 0 0, 18 into 5 will get 90, 11 into 10 you will get 110, and 9 into 15 135, and 7 into 20 140. So you have to add all the values, that is total of f dx is 75, and apply the formula. And shortcut method formula is a plus summation fd by n. A is nothing but the assumed value. We have taken 20 as assumed mean, 20 plus f dx total is 75 divided by 130. So you have to simplification this, you will get 20.58. So in direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation, we should get the same answer. In direct method also we got 20.58, in shortcut method also you have to get 20.58. Now we will see the last method, that is step deviation method. So in step deviation method, you have to find out f dx1. So dx equal to dx by I. I is the difference between the class interval. So this step deviation method, go through this problem and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.